Hello, today we want to teach you how to design a karaoke experience flyer design. And this flyer design is basically for party, joyful clubbing, basically. So please stay tuned at Soft Touch where we create magic. We want to teach you how you can do this using CorelDRAW. Please don't forget, we have all the link in the description. I think this should be a motivation for both beginners and intermediate designers. So thank you. So stay tuned. First, you select your rectangle like this. Let's give it, I didn't really even size it, but let's say, let's rearrange, let's readjust it and see how it's looking. So from here, wow, okay. Oh yeah, let's copy our resource files. Eh? Oh yeah, now so let's paste here. These are our resources that we want to use in this design, like this. So copy it. So here now you drag this. This is the background. Drag it into your rectangle you place inside. So be very sure you readjust it. Okay. So now like this, what you have next is this background. I use this background down here, as you can see from at this point here. We can also power click it inside like this, and then the next thing we are going to do there, we are going to transparent it. Finish. You understand how it's looking now, how it came about to be in that nature. The next thing we are going to, the first background we'll copy, this one. We want to transparent it. We want to make it a bit darker. You work on it. Come look at the circular transparency. This Eclipse Fountain transparency. Click on it. It makes it circular. Drag it at this point like this. Then it becomes a bit darker. The essence of it, this is to project the write up that is in front so that it will come out very well. Give it a black color. You see how it is right now. This is the speaker you can see at this angle here. So power click inside as well. Power click from here. Then what next is going to happen? The picture. Well, let's put in the picture right away without no waste of time. Drag in the image to come, and then you readjust. This is the image in the middle. So let's readjust it to be a bit sizable. Sorry. Mama, so now we'll go ahead and start writing it. This is Karaoke. Let's change the color so that we can see what we are writing basically. This is Karaoke experience. Then we enter with SARS boy. So the essence of this is, let's break the text by pressing Ctrl K. Everything is independent of its own. Select this one here. Then we use bangers. That's the font I'm using for that. Then for this particular font, I'm using Chili. We call it Chilla. Chilla. That's the name of the font. So you can select this, change the color to orange. This SARS boy, I think the name of that font is called Dark Shadow. Select it and then change this S to P to capital P. Let's make it bigger. Then we'll turn it like this. See how we turned it. This is the way we are going to allow it to remain in that form, and then we can change. Let's change this color to orange as well. Then the next thing that goes on here is the table reservation, which we can draw. This is the white rectangle, and then we give it a color. For instance, select this. Can you see? Then you can duplicate this, copy and paste by dragging it and right clicking. But there's another way you can do it. You can see, select it like this, pick this angle, drag it like this, and then come right click. Then this one you can change it to red, like to achieve this particular one you're seeing here. So you can see you dragging at this juncture. Please stay tuned for more, and if you don't understand it, please reach the comment section so that we can revert to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See, there is something we did here. You select the image and press shift page up so that it will be, the image of the artist will be up, please. So now the next thing is we're going to type all these things like this, but there's a quick way I'm going to do that. I'm going to copy that simply by pressing shift window S. Then I'll come here. Instead of copy, I'll not copy that. As just like that, I can copy, go to my notepad. Okay, I can just create a new paste. So I just want to show you how it will work. So it will come to default. So from here you can now paste it. Then let's rearrange so that to best fit, so that you can understand how we did it earlier. Then Ctrl K to break it. Then this one we selected it and gave it Montserrat, or this Mont. You can use Montserrat as well. The available font. I have a video on how to download fonts, which you can go to the font as well and get. That's one of my favorites. I have the link in the description. You can follow. Table reservations. So this is Times New Roman. Please avoid using so much font in your design. It's very, very important. This strike we can just use simple one. That's, we can change the color to red like this. Then we're also using Montserrat for this one as well. Let's see, it be smaller. The next thing is the free table entry. Free entry, sorry. Free entry. Let me change the color so that we can see what we are writing. We select all and then we'll remove it to verbals. You drag it like this. Entry. So that's it. So what's the next thing is remaining here is the dates and then his write-up and the venue of the event. So I will still snip, get it, and then rearrange for you to see like that. Let me copy it so that we can use it as well, so that you can follow along with me. So now I'm pasting it. Let me paste, or I can Can now paste and then separate it. I'm changing it to white so that it can be visible to us very well. So as you can see from here, the font used there is Bebas. Look at Bebas here. It's number 25, sorry. Then Ctrl K to break it. We'll now readjust this one to be bigger, then this to be smaller. So you can now select all so that it will best fit. So let's adjust. So that's it. You select this. So that's the color I used there. And then the next thing is we're using this date. So now we can select a rectangle like this, draw it. So we want to give it an outline white. So right click on any, I'll set the outline here, then drag it down or duplicate it. So since we have this and this, so we now write their times differently, and then what is expected, date and time differently. So 7th. The next thing is we'll press enter, write January, enter again 2026. So 2026, Ctrl K. So from here like this, this is Bebas. I'm using my Montserrat. I don't know, I love this font Montserrat. If there's anybody that like this font like me, I want to see you so that we'll form a Bebas and Montserrat family on YouTube. I hope we are not abusing these fonts. Some people feel like maybe consistent using of one particular font. Well, they can know you for a particular font as the style of your design. Maybe that's how you like to design. You change it. So we are changing the colors like this. The next thing we'll select it, duplicate it. You hold drag and then you right click, or you can do it the manual way. You can select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste, and then move it as well. Anyhow you want to do it, it's very fine. So this is the time zone, 8 p.m. This is 8 p.m. Then his name legit okay. But before then, please, you notice that the name and date, this is supposed to be in front. So you can now select all like this, group, and then control page down. Keep pressing control page down till you see it move in front of the guy's image. Then the next thing, his name, legit. Okay, you can type it. Then the font, I'll remember. Let's change the color. You can as well make this shape here. If you're not able to drag this shape, then you can search for, I want to show you a trick. You come to Pinterest, you can select brush effect. Brush effects, you click on enter. So from here there are different brush effects. Look at the one I use here. You can now download it. The moment you download this, come select it, copy, then take it back to your CorelDRAW and now paste. So on pasting here, you can now select trace, quick trace. You have gotten that particular image you want. Delete it, delete, delete. So you can see that it's the same thing here. As you can see, please somebody subscribe. You don't love the knowledge you are getting. Hi, Unaba. Yeah, I just pity you people. So select this and then you delete this. Let's delete this one. Yes, we are using mine now. So you can now type this manually and then drag any font that is available with you. You are not seeing it because it's behind that. So press shift page up like this. You have achieved that. Then this location symbol is in the link of the description as well. So you can now, we will now get it from there. Press shift page up. Sorry, I didn't get it the right way. That was not it. Exactly. So this is neat. And then we have successfully finished this. But if you notice, this one is a bit darker. So let's reduce it. I'm trying it so that it will match up with this. So I believe we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you have any question, you have any confusion, please, we have the comment section is open, and then you can also contact me directly with my number, and then we'll get to see. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top. Don't forget to subscribe.